G'day guys, I'm Matt from Plumbfirst.
When you choose Plumbfirst for your hot water, plumbing and drainage needs, you can be sure of an expert service that is second to none.
All our workmanship is backed up by a signed written guarantee.
We specialise in block drains, hot water systems, gas services, hot water service renewals, storm water renewals, pipe relining and excavations.
You can benefit from our rapid response time. Morning, Ray.
Our plumbers are smart, presentable and will keep your home clean and tidy. You can have peace of mind knowing the job, your family and your home are all safe.
Plumbfirst are fully licensed and insured for all of your plumbing needs.
Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for all your plumbing emergencies. Experience first-class plumbing services with Plumbfirst.
Call Plumbfirst today or visit our website to find out more.